tua mātou te whakataitele, na ua lea ua tau mai, tino lau au auna. Ion koe teini mau ni koe aso le ki runga nei ka ngāi ele. Mātou wala au le mana ro ngāngai nei e soso an nei pēr i e kātou. Whanau, o a inga lua, ia meise wō me māsangi. Mātou tu inatu nei sāringa i taitai mai o ro nganga pa iyo. No smaka Yesu. Amen. Nā tātou pese mai, tātou pese, tātou vai, tātou di inga i o. Ole papa, ele malu elu e, lo olo mawaruna o te sai, mai le malosi o le Resurrections and the life. He who believes in me, though he may die, he shall live. And whoever lives and believes in me shall never die. But I do not want you to be ignorant, brethren, concerning those who have fallen asleep, lest you sorrow as others who have no hope. For if we believe that Jesus died and rose again, even so God will bring with him those who sleep in Jesus. For this we say to you by the word of the Lord, that we who are alive and remain until the coming of the Lord will by no means precede those who are asleep. For the Lord himself will descend from heaven with a shout, with the voice of an archangel, and with the trumpet of God. And the dead in Christ will rise first. Then we who are alive and remain shall be caught up together with them in the clouds to meet the Lord in the air. And thus we shall always be with the Lord. Therefore, comfort one another with these words.